Welcome. Question number 20 of higher GCSE November 2022 paper 1 question. This is on probability. So Alfie has 11 cards. He has 3 blue cards, 7 green cards, and 1 white cards. So Alfie takes at random 2 of these cards. So we are to work out the probability that he takes cards of different colors, meaning he's picking 2. So the first one could be blue, the second will be a different color. It could be red and different color. So we are looking for picking 2 cards of which anytime he picks, the cards are all going to be of different color. Now there are 2 methods we can apply here. One is taking the direct approach, as in the probability. So we have the probability of 2 different cards will be equals to 1 minus 2 same cards or colors. Cards of the same color. Let's make it that way. Same cards of same color. So this one, different colors. Let's make it different colors. Good. Now, so it means we need to know the probability of the same card, meaning blue, blue, first being blue, second being blue, green, green, white, white. So it means and or will be applied here. So here I'll be having probability of blue and blue. The first one being blue, then the second one being blue. And don't forget, this is going to be blue out of the total. And blue number is 3 out of the total of what? 11. Picking the second one will be the number of blue cards will reduce to become 2. Then the total number also reduced to 10. We are picking 2 cards. Pick the first one and pick the second one. All right. Now, in doing so, we can see that this is and. That is why we are multiplying. So we are having this as the first choice. So I can multiply to have 3, 2, 6. Then this will give us 110. So that is the first chance that we can get. It could be blue and blue. Or it could also be that the probability will be of green cards and of green cards. First one, we are picking 2 cards, right? The first could be green. The second will also be green. So let's move on to probability of green. 7 out of 11 for the first choice. Then the number will reduce. If I'm picking green again to 6, then the total will also reduce from 11 to 10. So let's multiply and have 42 out of 110, right? All right. Then the next is going to be white, right? So the probability of white being the first and second, what are we going to have? The first will be white. How many are they? 1. So 1 out of 11 times, we are going to reduce. Meaning if you pick 1 out, you'll be left with 0 out of 10. And that will give you only 0. These are the combined probability, as in this and this, or this and this, or this and this. That's the concept. So our probability of same color, probability of same color is going to be the first probability going to be 6 out of 110, or that is plus. The second one, 42 out of 110 plus what? 0. And we know that will not have any change on our answer. So this becomes the same denominator. We add the numerator, as in 48 divided by what? 110. We can simplify if you want to, but let's maintain. So this is for only same color. Okay, same color. So the question is asking for probability of what? Different colors, right? That will be 1 minus the same color. This is what we have here. 1 minus the same color. And that will be 48 out of what? 110. If you multiply this as a fraction, 110 divided by 110 will give us 1. So we subtract 48 from 110. That will be giving us, if I have 60, that will be 100, so 62. So 62 out of 110. So this is one approach by using probability of different color plus probability of the same color equals 1. That will give us this subtraction. We can also take it as the question dictates for us different colors. Then we see whether we get the same answer. So for the second, we are looking for different colors, right? So we can pick the first one to be probability of the first one being blue, the second one being green. Okay, that will be the first one. So blue will be 3 out of 11. Then this, if I pick blue and I'm going to pick green again, the green will remain the same because the total number will still be 7. Then the total of all will reduce to 10. And that will give us 21 out of 110. Then for probability of first being blue, second being white. So blue will be the same as 3 out of 11. White is 1 out of 10. The quantity will decrease, but the white will remain the same. That will give you 3 out of 110. What again choice can we get? It could also be that the first one will be green, then the second one will be blue. The first could be green. We are picking at random. So the first choice could also be green, while the second will be what? Blue. So green will be 7 out of 11. The blue number remain as 3. The total number moved to what? 10. And that will be giving us 21 on 110. That's another chance. It could also mean that it could be green for the first time, then white for the second time, right? So if I'm going for green, that will be 7 on 11. White will also be, how many are they? 1 out of what? 10. So this gives us 7, 110. Is that the only choices we can get? It could also mean that we can go for white and blue as well, right? So probability of white, then we have blue. It could be white first, then blue second. What is the number for white? 1. So 1 out of 11 times blue remain 3. Quantity remain to what? Reduced to 10. So this will be giving us 3 out of 10. 110, right? 10 times 11. Now, what other option do we have? We have blue first, green second, blue first, white second. We are having green first, blue, green, white. Then it could be white and what? Green. These are the chances we are looking for. We are picking as random, so anyone can come first. So white will be 1 out of 11. The green will remain 7, but the total reduce to what? 10. So 7 out of 110. So this is going to be the first option, or the second, or the third, fourth, 5, and 6, or me addition. So our probability of different colors is going to be, we are adding all of them. So I'll be adding 21 out of 10, 110 2 times. So that become 2 times 21 out of 110 I'm having 3 out of 10. 110 here, 2 times. Plus, I guess 7 out of 110 is also 2. So 7 out of 110. The 2 will multiply only the numerator. So 2 times 21 will be 42 divided by 110. 2 times 3 will be 6. 110. 2 times 7, 14. 110. Let's add and see. This will be giving you 20 plus this, and that will give us 62 out of 110. So therefore, probability of different color will be 62 out of 110. So the first approach will give us the same answer. The second approach will also give us the same answer. You have to choose which direction to pass, and you still get the same answer. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.